You're watching the AI Report. Very strange AI news today. Let's get into it. So, the most talked about story today is Snapchat's My AI feature posting its own story and then ignoring users. I've never used Snapchat in my life, so I'm not really sure what's the big deal here, but it seems like the My AI feature was supposed to be a chatbot integrated into Snapchat and wasn't supposed to post stories like regular users. A few hours ago, it started posting a short, rather uneventful 2-second video of a wall, and people freaked out. Also, My AI stopped responding to users, or it responded with very strange outputs. Guys, it's called a bug. It's an error in the software. I promise you, the Snapchat AI posting a random story is not how Judgment Day starts. Speaking of Judgment Days and things that can end the world, the war in Ukraine is raging on, and Ukrainians use ChatGPT and 3D printing to craft drone bombs. Of course, the prompts are not as simple as how to make a better drone bomb. The Ukrainian defenders probably just consult ChatGPT for the engineering behind the drone bombs without telling it what they're doing. Currently, there are 200 groups of people making these bombs. Wow, okay, fair play, I guess. Next, Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates are joining the AI race. They have each invested hundreds of millions and bought thousands of the best NVIDIA AI chips. Both Saudi Arabia and the UAE want to become global leaders in AI. It's probably too late for them, to be honest, although if I would have to pick one of those countries, I would probably pick the UAE. Their system is a bit better for innovation. Moving on, OpenAI proposes a method for training a content moderation AI. OpenAI proposes a method for training a content moderation AI. The new method involves inputting policies and then doing a quick round of training. This can automate content moderation entirely in some cases. Probably a good use of AI here, although I still think at least one solid human content moderator would be needed in the loop if we want 100% precision and no issues at all. Next, Google will release a new AI feature called SGE while reading, or Search Generative Experience while reading. The new feature will summarize an entire article, but only after you've clicked the link in the search result and visited the article. There are already several third-party browser extensions that can do that. This is a useful feature, no doubt about it, but I would recommend using it diligently. One of the biggest issues of our time is appalling attention spans, and features like this will make it worse. Sometimes it's a good investment to read a well-written article entirely, see every nuance and perspective and idea that the author wants to present. Not saying I'm against this feature, but I already see how people will overuse it and make Twitter ammo from every possible piece of text and news article. And finally, a rather strange series of studies find that thinking about God increases the odds to accept a decision made by AI. I gotta be honest, I read the study here and I'm not sure what's the purpose behind it. Maybe they want to sell stuff to religious people. Maybe the point is that spiritual people are either more gullible or more open-minded, however you want to see it. Or maybe they're just looking for more guidance. Whatever you do, and this might sound strange coming from the guy who's making AI videos every day, it's probably not a good idea to turn AI into your God. And that's the way it is. That was the AI Report. Another day, another video. Like and subscribe if you want to remain in the loop. Do your thing. I appreciate you guys, and I will see you tomorrow.